for you people for coming. And we are here to just say or to give you our success in our struggle. And we are welcoming everyone. Me as a chairperson at Acholi sub-region, we welcome everyone to join work, and we are not differentiating what type of music or what type of arts you're doing. We welcome you, come and join work. We are not differentiating like tribes and other religious side. And for our office, like the chairman said, we welcome everyone. For the functions, which is going to be next year, we are also welcoming everyone to come be with us, know how work started. Others were thinking maybe we are going to just fight and stop, but we are now seeing the success, and we are asking people to join. For you to benefit, you need to join. For you to benefit, you need to buy chairs, and you also need to be among the team. We move together to develop our music. I think that's our call.
We would like to understand from the chairperson.
Chairperson, actually,
The chairperson.